For next question, it's given that a neutron of mass 1.67 into 10 raised power minus 27 kg. So let's say m1 with the mass of the neutron, that is 1.67 into 10 raised power minus 27 kg. Now it's moving with a speed of 3 into 10 raised power 6 seconds. So u1 is equal to 3 into 10 raised power 6 meter per second. Now it's collided with the neutron of mass. So mass of the neutron, let's say it's m2, it's 3.34 into 10 raised power minus 27 kg, which is at rest. That is u2 is equal to 0. Now after collision, the neutron sticks to the neutron, that is their combined mass. Let's say their combined mass will be m, which is equal to m1 plus m2, and that should be equal to 1.67 into 10 raised power minus 27 plus 3.34 into 10 raised power minus 27 kg. So this is the mass of the neutron and the deuteron. Once they stuck together and they form a triton. So there's a mass of the triton. So the stick can move with a common velocity, which we have to find out. So we are going to use the law of conservation of momentum, which states that for an isolated system, initial momentum is equal to final momentum. So according to law of conservation of momentum, which states that initial momentum is equal to final momentum. Now, initial momentum is m1 u1 plus m2 u2, that is equal to m into a. Let's put in the respective values. M1 is 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27 into u1 is 3 into 10 raised to power 6. M2 is 3.34 into 10 raised to power minus 27 into u2 is 0, and m is this, in which we can take 10 raised to power minus 27 common. So this is 1.67 plus 3.34. So for this, we have taken 10 raised to power minus 27 common. So this is 10 raised to power minus 27 is common, which is equal to 1.67 plus 3.34 kg into V. Okay, so this term is 0, and now we have 1.67 into 10 raised power minus 27 into 3 into 10 raised power 6, which is equal to 10 raised power minus 27. 1.67 plus 3.34 is equal to 7 plus 4 is 11, 6 into 9, and 10, 3, 4, 5 into V. So 10 raised power minus 27 gets cancelled. 1.67 into 3. This is 7 3 that is 21, 6 3 that is 18, 19, 20, and 5.02 into 10 raised power 6 is equal to 5.01. So this is 5.01 into V. So V is equal to 10 raised power 6 meter per second. So this is the final velocity of the triton. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.